Imagine operating your facility more efficiently with tools that help you make strategic decisions that solve complex challenges, drive cost savings, boost efficiency, advance sustainability, and elevate tenant comfort. Facility operations are siloed, with data scattered across decentralized tools, resulting in hard-to-find or outdated warranties, maintenance records, and plans. Autodesk Tandem centralizes data by connecting solutions, enabling facility operators to maintain seamless operations. Whether it's O&M manuals or near real-time data from sensors, Tandem makes finding and contextualizing all data expedient, driving informed choices. With Tandem, you can search, filter, and configure data to your needs. Never waste time looking for a document to discover that the equipment is out of warranty. Do you struggle to see how your facility is occupied and used? Use Tandem's intelligence to improve space utilization or reduce heating and cooling costs. Spaces in Tandem connect an area with its data, helping track maintenance or perform future capital planning by visualizing room properties such as maintained assets and total space cost. You can quickly locate specific rooms, view occupancy levels, and monitor HVAC data over time to make cost-effective decisions about space management. Have you ever wanted a digital map of your facility that clearly shows how all the MEP systems function within it? Imagine a pipe burst. Instead of outdated plans, with Tandem, that plumbing system could be mapped out in a few clicks, making it easy to find the location of shutoff valves, plumbing fixtures, and affected downstream systems and areas. The future is here. You can now monitor your facility system's performance, providing actionable insights to meet sustainability goals, save money, or improve foot traffic patterns. Connected BMS, CMMS, and IoT sensors allow you to visualize your facility's data in near real time in Autodesk Tandem. Heat maps, charts, and tabular data enable you to view system performance with threshold settings and take informed actions when assets perform outside of tolerance. What if you could operate with a predictive approach, helping you plan repair costs preemptively? By examining historical data against expected performance, you can track an asset's function to predict future failures. In scenarios such as refrigeration, this can minimize downtime and prevent the loss of valuable products. With connected software tools, your work becomes more efficient and insight-driven. If an asset is out of tolerance, your digital twin can push notifications to other tools in your portfolio, such as a maintenance management system using Tandem Connect. Autodesk Tandem modernizes operations by contextualizing your data for easy analysis and comprehension, empowering your team to operate efficiently.